Hi there, in this video we will learn how to create a subdomain on Hostinger. So first of all, on the left sidebar, click on websites, then click on website list. Here you will see a list of all your domains. Right now I have only one domain here. Next to the domain where you want to create a subdomain, you will see the dashboard button. Click on it. After entering the dashboard, go to the sidebar again and click on domains and you will see the option subdomains. Click on it. Now here we will type the name of our subdomain. If you want to keep your subdomains data in a specific folder, then check the custom folder option and enter your desired folder name. After the click on create and your subdomain will be created. If you ever want to delete the subdomain, you can also do it from here. Now we will install WordPress on our website. From the sidebar again click on websites and then click on add website. The screen will now appear. Before installing WordPress we need to fill in some basic details. You will see two options, create a website and migrate a website. Since we are creating a new website, select create a website and click next. Now we will see two more options, WordPress and Hostinger website builder. We will select WordPress and click on next. Here you need to enter your WordPress admin login detail. First choose your preferred language. Then enter your email address and finally set a strong password and click on next. Here you will see two options, create a website with AI and pre-built websites. Don't select either of them. Instead, simply click on create a blank site. You will now be asked where you want to install WordPress. Here simply search and select the subdomain we created earlier. Once selected, click on installing WordPress. Now Hostinger will start installing WordPress on your subdomain. This process usually takes just a few seconds to complete and open your WordPress admin panel directly. Let's visit the website to check it out. As you can see, the website is currently completely blank because we have only installed WordPress and have not added any theme or content. From here you can start customizing your website, install a theme and begin building pages. And that's it. This is how easily you can create a subdomain on Hostinger and install WordPress on it step by step. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumb up, share it with others and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.